Hi guys, how are you? And welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, then welcome. And if not, then thank you for coming back and taking the time to watch my videos. My name is Jordana and I make beauty videos and I post them Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. So before you go into this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Today I'm gonna do one that I never do because I don't find them to be realistic when you buy your own products. And this is a decluttering video. So if you like those, I'm gonna declutter my lipstick collection in a realistic way. So if you wanna see what lipsticks I get rid of and give to my friends and family, then just keep on watching. A little bit of background. On December 2016, I knew that I was gonna move back to Colombia. And I had tons and tons of lipstick. And I decluttered about 50 lipsticks. I can say that I even decluttered more than that, and I sent them to Venezuela. I sent them here to Colombia. I gave a lot to my aunt and my cousins that were living in the US as well, but I got rid of a ton that I knew that I wasn't using. This declutter video is not gonna be huge, and you have to keep in mind that these products that I have, most of them have over 2 years because I've been in a no buy when it comes to lip products and a low buy a lot because I'm not a lipstick wearer. I wear stains like the Dior one that I'm wearing right now, or just lip gloss from Dior or the Givenchy lip balm. But from time to time I love wearing lipstick, and I know this is an insane amount for a person that doesn't wear that much lipstick, but sometimes I rotate products to my kit and I just love makeup. I think I don't need explanations. What I wanted to let you guys know is that a year and a half ago I did a huge lipstick declutter. So first I want to show you my lipstick collection. These are my nudes. These are the shades that I keep the most of because these are nudes. I also have my pink and purples and then my red and orange lipsticks. So this is my entire lipstick collection. And what I wear the most is definitely nudes. So I declutter about 10 to 12 lipsticks, and most of them are lip glosses because I never wear those. Let's go into the products and the explanation behind them. This is a new one that I never opened and I never used. This is a MAC Pro Longwear lip gloss in the shade Long Love Love. And it's a pink one. It's super thick. I do not like to wear these kinds of shades. I know that a lot of people find it to be super beautiful, but it's just not a color that I like. It's nothing that I like, and I prefer to do a back to MAC or just give this to my sister-in-law. She will scrape it, put it in a little pot, and I will just return this and back to MAC it for a lipstick that I use, which is the Matte Lip Formula Bullet lipsticks that I adore from MAC, and I use them a ton. Another one, keeping it on the pink side, which is the color that I wear the least. These are the Maybelline, the Elixir Color Sensational Glosses. I don't know if these are still available, but they were huge here on YouTube. And I'm gonna declutter the shades Polish Petal and Petal Plush. And Petal Plush was a favorite for everyone, and I know my sisters-in-law are gonna love them. These are really glossy lip glosses, and the formula, it's a little bit less thick. I love the applicator, but it's just something that I do not reach for. So if I don't reach for it, why keep it and just let it go to waste in my collection? So I'm gonna give that to my sisters-in-law. Also, this is the HDD Cosmetics lip gloss in the shade Princess Pink. This is the first time I'm gonna swatch it. I've never used it. It's also pink and beautiful. It has a little bit more warmth to it, but it's just not something that I like. I prefer for them to get some use out of it. It's just, I got it as a free gift from the Makeup by Mario class. It's just, I think this is the only product from that class that I didn't really like. This is the My Beautiful Rocket lipstick by Lime Crime, and that's the only thing I have left, but I know my sister-in-law Ligia will love this and she will scrape it because actually these lipsticks, the bullets, like the MAC lipsticks, they have almost half the product after you finish the tube, and then you can scrape it and it's almost half a lipstick. So it has a ton of product. I'm not planning on going through that hassle. So this is basically an empty for me, but it's a declutter also because she will adore it and appreciate it. And I'm sorry that Lime Crime sucks, but these lipsticks are actually really pretty. Another orangey one, and it's from the Maybelline Elixir collection. It's also this one. This is in the shade Orange Glow, and I was debating if I should keep these. It's a really pretty corally kind of lip gloss, but if I haven't used it in so long. This was a limited edition one. This is old. Since I never opened them, they smell the same. They're good. So I know somebody else can have it. It's a beautiful shade, but I never reach for it. Before I moved here, I bought a set of the Buxom lip glosses. And this is actually one of my favorite lip gloss formula. I kept most of them because I love them. But these two shades, I knew that I was never going to reach for them. This is the shade Jane, and this is a purple one. And you can see here how purple that is. And I know that those shades I never wear. This one has a little bit of glitter in it. It's just not something that I go for, and I know that I won't ever grab it. And so basically it's new. I just swatched it on my lips for that video, and now I swatch it for you on my hand, and that's it. So I'm not gonna let it go to waste. Another one that I liked, but I chose the other red that came in the same collection, and it's in the shade Nicole. And this is beautiful, but this kind of fuchsia that is not red or not fuchsia, I'm not obsessed with. And this comes with a little bit of glitter also, so these are new, so why not pass them while they have just been swatched. I have a sample size of the Too Faced Lip Insurance. I never wear that. The only primer that I wear is on my face, but I don't wear lip primers or any other type of primer. So I know I won't really use this. So I prefer to pass it on to someone that has trouble for their lipstick to stay put. It's just Too Faced Lip Insurance. I've never reached for it, and I know I never will. I'm also getting rid of samples. So this is the shade Bittersweet. I think this is Urban Decay lipsticks. These as well, these are Urban Decay lipsticks. These ones are Dior lipsticks, and these are Estee Lauder lipsticks. I'm getting rid of those samples, and I know that my sisters-in-law can play with them and they will love them. They will go through them, which is something that I like doing. I like giving up products when I know somebody's really gonna use them. If not, I prefer to let them rot in my collection. But if I know who I'm giving them to, I know they will appreciate them and go through them like crazy. This one I love, but I think it's just, I prefer the soft matte lip creams than lip glosses. I'm picky when it comes to lip gloss. For a lip gloss to make me fall in love with them, it takes a lot. And this is one that I really love. I love the scent of them. And this is the only nude that I'm basically getting rid of. And it's that shade right there. But it's just, I don't reach for it. So these deserve a better home. And then this is the NARS lip gloss. This is the old packaging. I collected them all. The shade Nana or something like that. And this is another purple lip gloss, and I was obsessed with collecting them. This is beautiful. And this one actually smells like regular lip gloss, because I got rid of almost 25 of them, which makes me sad because half of the things that I got rid of were NARS lip glosses because I was collecting them. And a lot of them went bad, and a lot of them I didn't use, so I gave them to my cousin over there. But most of them were thrown away. This one I'm not gonna throw away. I'm gonna give to one of my sisters-in-law. It's really beautiful, but I never reached for it, and I don't want it to go bad in my collection because these were like $25 each, and some of them I even got them on Amazon because I didn't have a credit card in the US. My Colombian credit card would work on Amazon while I was living in New York. So I got a ton of them on Amazon where they were way overpriced, but I didn't have the money and I wanted to spend it with my credit card, which was stupid. Now I just kept two in my collection that were all-time favorites, and it's the shade Wonder and Bloodwork. And these are insane. Bloodwork I've used a ton, and it's a beautiful red. You can see it right there, so that I'm definitely keeping. And the other one, it's Wonder, and it's an orangey shade, and it's definitely beautiful. So those are the only two NARS lip glosses in the old formula that I'm still using. This one I'm gonna pass along. And then last but not least, I have a lip balm right here, and this has a ton left. And this I'm gonna give to my nanny. She has 2 daughters. She's not my nanny anymore because I'm old. But she has 2 daughters, and they're like sisters to me, and they love these kinds of things. This is from Avon, and I don't know if you can find this in the US, but I just don't reach for these type of products anymore. But I know they love them, like the red flush, like me, but this is just not something that I reach for when I have my Givenchy one that I adore or my Dior that I love. So basically I removed 12 lip products from my collection and also 4 sets of samples. That would be it for my lipstick declutter. If you like realistic declutters, let me know in the comments below and I will definitely do them for you. Some categories I'm not gonna take anything out because I don't find the need to do it. I don't find to declutter just for the sake of it. I love my makeup. I've worked really hard to pay for my makeup and I cherish it. So if I'm getting rid of something, it's because I wanted to have a better home, but I don't get any stuff for free. Sometimes I do, but it's just like not even 5% of my collection I've got sent for free. If you want to keep seeing decluttering videos, let me know in the comments below and I will happily do them for you. Just know that I'm not gonna get rid of half of my collection because I'm not like throwing money away that I don't have just because I want a video to be popular, you know. Okay, so that's everything, guys. If you like this type of videos, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be part of my YouTube family. Follow me on my Instagram, which is basically the only social media platform that I use. And I guess I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.